Hello there, I'm your instructor Aaron Rutten, and welcome to my advanced landscape painting course for Corel Painter. As you can see behind me, there's 4 different kinds of landscapes in this course. There's a sunset sky with a dead tree, a thunderbolt over a field of grass, a starry desert sky, and a jungle waterfall. Each of these lessons is about an hour long, but you can take as long as you want to complete each of the assignments. Included in this course are several resource files and a Corel Painter workspace which contains all of the brushes and tools required for this course. Please download the resource files to your computer for easy access. There are 2 workspace files. One is for Corel Painter 2015 and the other is for Corel Painter X3. Make sure you install the correct workspace file. There's a video in the resource files that'll guide you through that process. There's also a few PDF files which provide some help and information about the course. Once you've downloaded the resource files and the Corel Painter workspace, you can move on to the lesson videos. Each lesson starts with a warm-up video, which shows you photographs of landscapes to help you memorize how each of those elements will look in real life. Next, we'll create a digital painting from start to finish. While I paint, I'll describe my process so that you can follow along. You'll be able to see me draw on my screen with a screen capture of the painting, and you'll be able to see my hand as I paint on my Wacom Cintiq 24 HD. You can pause and rewind the video as needed to control the pace of the video, and you can copy the painting that I create, or you can decide upon your own layout and colors to create your own unique composition.